Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Arif Zakaria bin Muhammad Sukri, matric ID TH18017. So today, me and my group will present about our infographic, which title as TEC Electric Motor. So basically, our group consists of 3 people, which include me, Muhammad Arif Zakaria, and then Zulhairi bin Zulkifli, and lastly Abdul Shafiq Rizwan. Then this is our product, our technical product, electric motor with serial number of 0.7523 TECAB3-IE3 from TEC Electric Motor Company. So this electric motor is a mechanism that transforms electrical energy into mechanical energy. The interaction between the motor's magnetic field and electric current in a wire winding generates force in the form of torque applied to the motor's shaft in most electric motor. Direct current DC source such as batteries and rectifiers, or alternating current AC source such as power grid inverters or electrical generators that can power electric motor. So this is the picture of our electric motor. So our electric motor consists of 3 main parts, which is body frame cover, rotor assembly and also stator assembly. Then it also have a sub part, body frame cover, red line in a rotor assembly and also winding coil, and magnet, which is in the stator assembly. So then I will explain the first component of unit part in the TEC electric motor, which is shaft. Shaft is a rotating machine element which is used to transmit power from one part to another, or from a machine which produce power to a machine which absorb power. So shaft is made by nickel chromium or chromium vanadium steel, which have length of 250 mm. So this shaft have a good strength, toughness and also wear resistant. The other assembly parts work because of the power generated by the motor. For other gear is attached with the end of the shaft that have gear. Then I will pass the next component to my group member.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Zulhairi bin Zulkifli, TH18027. I will explain the second component of the unit part, which is bearing. Bearing is functioning to reduce the friction when running the motor. Usually, bearing was made of silicon nitride, which is ceramic. The size of bearing is 19 mm, and its advantage is to reduce the weight, increase durability and heat resistance. The bearing will follow the rotor when it starts rotating. So usually the bearing will distribute the energy equally to the every part of the component, so it more efficient. Alright. I will explain the third component of the unit part, which is rotor. Rotor is used to create torque around the rotor. Rotor is usually made of steel lamination, and the rotor winding was made of copper or brass. Its length was 100 mm and the diameter is 95 mm. Okay. Rotor can rotate the load that need high starting torque, also has speed control. Occur the phenomenon electromagnetic induction. The rotor will rotate with high speed to cutting the electromagnetic around the magnet and induce the electromagnet and generate electricity. Okay, for the next part, which is stator. Stator is the stationary part of the motor. Uh, okay. Stator consists of lamination of silicon steel, and stator coil are made of copper. The thickness of lamination is around 0.5 mm, its length 100 mm, and width 160 mm, and its height is 210 cm, 10 mm. Okay. The function of stator is to reduce the eddy current. Rotor will be rotate because of the magnetic field generated from the electric current and the magnet that have in the TAC electric motor.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abu Shafiq Rizwan bin Abdul Rahman. My ID matrix is AA18318. Okay, now I will continue our presentation uh, about unique part. Okay. The other unique part is cooling fan. Cooling fan is attached to the rotor and self-cooling in the motor. Cooling fan is always static. The diameter of cooling fan is 140 milliliter. Cooling fan is fast air cooling and also using bigger fan. Cooling fan is connected with the rotor and the fan will start rotate when the rotor spinning. The last unique part is body frame. Body frame can protect the inner part from the outside environment. The diameter of body frame is 158 millimeter and the body length is 237 millimeter. The body frame is made from aluminum. Body frame is high corrosion resistant and heat resistant, which is suitable use in confined space. The inner part of body frame is will not having any damage. How to use the product? Okay. First, working based on the principle that use electromagnetic field that being applied in the rotor conductors. Second, during the rotating, magnetic field of stator cut the stationary rotor conductor. Okay, this is a name of HQ that electric motors. This is address units 291 and 296 of Drive, Hattlebury Trading Estate, Hattlebury and R. Kinderminster, Worcestershire, DY10 4GB. This is number phone 01299252990. This is number fax 01299253597. This is email and this is website. Okay, that's all from me and our team. Thank you.